What do you want? Let's check out these little mangoises. But yeah, we're trying to get a pasture rotation going in where our different animals work together to do what otherwise would be accomplished by tractors and chemicals.
Dada,
Just a second, bud. Just a second. Yeah, you can go over there. And it's nothing new. Lots of people are doing it. We're not pioneers, although in some way, everybody who's doing this still is pioneering it in some form or fashion. But there's lots of groundwork already laid. And what I would say is this little barn constitutes the center kind of point. Our poultry's working out of there for the moment, although we are going to get our first chicken tractor going. That's going to be an experimental research, kind of learn about the chicken tractor. It's a good deal, and I think it'll be a great opportunity to learn how that works, what we like, what we don't, where it works, where it doesn't work on our particular project site. We have the poultry in the center with the hogs at the moment surrounding it. Oh, the mangolitas are here. There, you walked right by him. I see him. But the hogs currently surround the poultry. I'm gonna soon open up a second pasture for them. They haven't done a ton of what's the word? Input damage, whatever, you know. They haven't worked this one over real well yet, so this is actually more of a partition of the herd kind of thing to how we want to separate our boar and gilt breeding pair and see how they do all alone, let the piglets grow up together for a little bit.